Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable emojis and use them in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a older version of Windows, still this tricks will gonna work for you. So there is no direct options to enable emojis or directly you can use them in Windows computer, so there is no such shortcut ways. So it's hidden features, but still you can enable it. So to enable it, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Win and the full stop or the dot. So you can see here, you can see the emojis, so you can see tons of emojis. Even there is a Kai emoji also. You can just click on it and you can see all the emojis, whatever emojis you like. And even you can use this search box to search all the emojis of what type of emojis you wanna use. So if this shortcut button does not work for you, that is the Win plus full stop, then you can do one thing. You can press the Win plus B if the first keyboard shortcut does not work for you, and you can see here emoji, just click on it and you can just access the same thing. So now how to apply this emojis on any program or applications. So here just let me give you a example. Say let me use a notepad. So let me open a notepad, and what I will do, I'll just press again Win and full stop to open the emojis. So now say I want to add an emoji. So what I will do, I'll just click on here, say this smiling face. So you can see here, you can click multiple times, you can click any one, you can choose anything. So you can see here we have used the emojis on the notepad application. So you can use it anywhere, even if you are chatting with your friends on any application like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, still you can use this emojis. So just you need to enable it firstly by pressing the Win plus full stop or the dot to enable or open this emojis on your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks on how to enable emojis and use them in Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.